za kale chini kwenye nyumba kukasikika wimbo tamu, wimbo wenye sifa wa matumaini wa kuponya rohoni. Na mimi kaulizo, mbona wauimba umenitoa chomoni? Nao wakajiunga pamoja kamsifu Mungu.
In Nairobi Ufungumano Hall, come, feel and get inspired with the gospel country music one of a kind. On the 29th of November 2025, the renowned Gospel Cowboy Samson Maombi invites you to his gospel country music concert from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. You know how howdy gospel cowboys and cowgirls do it. Grab your tickets on View Tickets or dial *487*25# or go to viewtickets.com. For more information, contact +254 713 233 951. I'm gonna turn off the sounds that I'll drag people down to the pit of despondency with a sweet, happy tune. Save the date, Samson Maombi, the Gospel Cowboy.
Mbele ninasonga, sitaangalia yote niliyopitia. Hofu ya uoga, vyote ni adui, bado nisonaiona. Nami nitatembea njia ya kifalme, Bwana amenikumbuka. Bendera ya ushindi nitaipeperusha. Sing just as long as it takes to a song makes I experience free. I'm gonna keep making music that covers the sacred of Jesus is liberty. I'm